principal and staff of this great institute, the proud parents who have gathered here in great number to watch these beautiful children perform. It has indeed been a very delightful performance and a very delightful evening watching this multicultural, multilinguistic show choreographed and put together so beautifully by the children and the staff of this great institute. Thank you, Sister Evelyn, for inviting me, and it's really been an enriching experience watching these beautiful children showing their great talent. As Sister Evelyn had given me a little write-up about this institute, I learned that it was the dream of the Venerable Mary Ward, and it was really established way back in 1899. It's come a long way. And what is really, really commendable is that while maintaining this ancient institute, the children have been taught the old values and traditions, and at the same time, they are being prepared to face the world as it is today. That is holistic development, and full marks to the staff, the principal of this great institute. I'm sure the Venerable Mary Ward would be very proud of the great job that the institute is doing. Yeoman service to the nation indeed. As I was going through the brochure, I came across some very interesting snippets. It says that one of them which really struck and made an indelible print on my mind was that it takes a whole society to educate a single child. How true. And that is the philosophy. The proud parents have gathered here today. They're very proud of their children. And in today's rat race, we sometimes live our dreams through our children, which I do not know if it is very fair. Being a child specialist, I look at the child psychology and the mind of a child very often. And we come across so often that we want to live our aspirations through our children. I would urge all you parents who've got such talented children, each one has his own potential. Please search for it and develop it. And do not try to realize your dreams through your child, because your child has his own dreams, has her own aspirations. And I'm sure that if you recognize that, own the skills which may not be quite in sync with what you would like your child to be, the child would be happier, would be a more complete individual, and in the long run, you would be a very proud parent. All of us should realize that from a very, very early age, the small children, the babies, are observing us and imbibing our value system. So what the school brochure had said was so right, that we have to lead our children by example. And it is not by simple psychotherapy, so to say, but by setting a role model. Because these children, from the time they're tiny babies who can barely speak a language, are understanding our personality traits, and the environment is modifying their personalities. So it's very important that we own the child's skills, bring the child up with the right value system, so that they are well equipped to face their lives tomorrow. As far as the dear children are concerned, seeing their talent, their level of confidence, I am very, very, very sure and confident that they would be great citizens of tomorrow and would be very successful individuals in whichever field they choose to be. Please, children, remember that you have to have the right value systems, just as you had Mother Nature and Father Sun. Your parents and your teachers are going to, just as the Mother Nature and Father Sun looked after and nurtured their gardens, here you have your parents and your teachers nurturing you, teaching you the right value systems. Be respectful to your seniors and peers, and be very, very kind to those who are not as fortunate as you are. I am confident that as I look at all of you, that the country is going to march ahead, and in the days to come, we shall be very, very delighted with the progress our country and indeed the world will make with such children and such scholars who are doing such a wonderful job in honing the personality of our future generations. Jai Hind.
The budding musicians of Ascensi are all prepared to present before you their passion towards music and will surely leave you craving for more.
request our dear Principal Sister Evelyn to please come up and for the vote of thanks.
It is my privilege to express my heartfelt gratitude to one and all who have made this program a success. It has been a day of blessings, efforts and achievements, and for this I thank God Almighty, with whose guidance and blessings we have been able to fulfill our dream of presenting today's program. I wish to put on record my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Air Commodore Dr. Ms. Uma Raju, whose gracious presence among us has greatly enhanced our joy and given us a lot of encouragement. We appreciate the total commitment and keen interest shown by Dr. Uma Raju in the service of the suffering humanity through the noble practice of medicine, thus giving life and health to innumerable people. In spite of the busy schedule, you graciously accepted our invitation to grace this occasion